you ready to make this a September to remember? If you're ready to make this a September to remember, then you are in the right place at the right time, and I'd love to welcome you today to America's #1 residual income system. My name's Marybeth, and I'm so excited to be here because we are getting ready to go into the busiest time of year, coming this Monday, Labor Day, the onset of the busy season, the direct mail order boom season. And I've been part of this wonderful direct mail order industry since 2015. Love every bit of it. And I am so excited for what is coming right around the corner. So if you're looking for a simple way that you can earn some extra income from the comfort of your very own home in your spare time, then you are in the right place at the right time today. And I'd love to invite you inside to take a close look at America's #1 residual income system, known as American Bill Money, where you have the potential to earn $1,500 in profit each and every month by just referring a handful. That's just 5 new customers. 5 new $50 customers that go out there and they do the exact same thing through 3 levels. American Bill Money has unlimited income potential. They pay you 100% fast start bonus on all of your referrals, and you have the potential to earn up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades, as they do have a high ticket postcard program as well. So what I'm going to invite you to do is go to my website down below, incomedoubled.com/5990. You may need to type this into your browser, but it's very simple. It's incomedoubled.com/5990. Once you come inside, you're going to be redirected to this very page right here. And what is going to await you is a short video and a sizzle number that you can dial right into. I highly recommend and encourage that you check out in full both of these because they do a fantastic job. They work for me 24/7 when anybody comes to this website. They do my telling, my selling, and my explaining for me, and they in turn will do the exact same thing for you. This program is simple, it is affordable, it is duplicatable, and it is scalable to the max. Therefore, it truly sells itself. Okay? You do not have to speak to anybody. All you have to do is share and advertise or mail out postcards, flyers, there's drop cards, there's post-it notes. ABM has 4 incredible pieces of marketing materials, and you can use any one or more than one to get the word out and share American Bill Money with the masses. So you want to begin by watching this video right here. Click the play button right here and tune in, folks. Everything is fully explained in detail. And then I encourage you to go a step above and beyond and dial into the sizzle call. Okay, when you're ready to get started, you'll scroll down and click on one of the join buttons. Now you can check here and go to the review page and hear some incredible testimonials, because please just don't take my word for it, folks. You want to tune in and hear what other happy, satisfied members of American Bill Money have to say about this amazing opportunity. They pay 100%, $50 to you, fast start bonus for every referral that you make. Okay? That is cool. That is absolutely cool. You don't need a computer. You don't need any special skills, and there's no learning curves whatsoever. This is as simple as it gets. It is super simple for everybody, including you. You're going to absolutely love American Bill Money. I've been part of ABM since 2017. Let's fast forward to almost September 2025. It is still alive and going strong, folks, and you can thrive in 2025 when you get started with American Bill Money. You're in the right place at the right time. This is direct mail order boom season, folks. The best, most opportune time of year to get started. Plant your seeds, create your foundation, folks, and run with American Bill Money well into 2026 and beyond, okay? All you have to do is mail or distribute the full color postcards, the post-it notes, the drop cards, or the flyers in your spare time. Very part-time, but you do want to be able to be committing to the process. And remember, consistency is key to being successful with anything that you embark on in business, including American Bill Money. Okay? You don't do any selling. This is totally 100% rejection free. You can even remain anonymous. ABM does all the follow-up. They close all the sales. They have an incredible state-of-the-art follow-up system. Email, text, and ringless voice drops. They cover all bases, folks, so you don't have to worry or stress about follow-up. They do the follow-up on all your prospects, whether it's just 1 or 1,000 plus, automatically. New AI Assistant provides details, answers any questions prospects have 24/7, and nobody else does that, okay, in this industry. Follow-up system alone should get you excited and ready to begin and take action, folks, because it does all the heavy lifting, the sifting, the sorting, and everything you need, folks. Telling, selling, and explaining. Between the website, between the sizzle number, and the follow-up system, folks, that is all you need, okay? This is turnkey. This is rejection-free. This is automated, fully automated for 2025 and beyond. ABM's been around since 2003. They truly have withstood the test of time. The system just evolves. It continues to get bigger and better, and they have perfected it over time, folks, okay? And it's only going to continue to get bigger and better, especially as we end 2025 and roll into 2026, folks. This system, by far, is your absolute best shot in life at financial freedom because there's so much leverage built into this, and it is so simple. And it sells itself, folks. Okay, there's never been a better time in history in the direct mail order industry than to take action and get started today for only $50 with ABM. Here's the magic button right here, folks. Click on it. You'll be proceeded to checkout. You can go ahead and pay online, or if you prefer, you can even mail in your payment. Okay? Whatever works the best for you. Simple, proven system, unlimited income potential, well over 22 years in the business, withstanding the test of time, all time. A 24/7 marketing system. Between that video, folks, and that sizzle number, everything is done, and everything is explained right here on my website. You can have one just like this, folks, working for you every minute of every day, folks. Okay, so you don't have to be present. You don't have to talk to anybody, and you don't have to answer any questions. All major credit and debit cards are accepted to get started. Checks and money orders, too. Closing all the sales for you. That's what they do. That's what they do best, folks. They do all of the follow-up. You just can't beat it. This is an unbeatable system, folks. Products and services you can build anonymously, never having to talk to anybody at all. Not a single soul, ever, if you don't want to. A+ rating with the BBB and fast start bonuses. 100% paid out to you first month on every referral you make. And if you decide to upgrade, folks, you have the potential to earn even bigger. Okay? Up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades. And you can upgrade at any time going forward, folks. Okay? These days, everybody wants and needs more money. So here's some great illustrative examples, illustrative purposes only, with the potential that exists. Check these all out, folks, and you can play around with the starter earnings calculator if you so wish, okay? Folks, it's time for you to get excited. It's time for you to take action, because nothing will ever change in your life unless you decide to take the initiative, step forward, take a leap of faith, and take action today. $50. In my opinion, folks, everybody these days can afford American bill money. They make it affordable for the masses. $50. Something that has the potential to keep paying you over and over again. The potential is there, folks. It's great. It's real. And you plug in. Here's what your starter subscription includes. You can review everything right here. Here's the magic button, folks, for you to join up today, okay? Beautiful full-color double-sided postcards. They even have now 6x9 jumbo-size postcards. All new for 2025, folks. I think those came out around March of this year. These are beautiful. They have everything you need. Your website, the recorded overview number, your ABM number will be listed. This way, every time you get a sign-up, that's how we get credit. You're assigned your own unique 4-digit ID number. Mine is 5990, okay? Beautiful flyers, double-sided. Okay, you can mail out a flyer with a postcard, a flyer only, or just a postcard. Okay, post-it notes, drop cards. Okay, everything's here. Here's the number. Okay, my number right here, 5990. Just make sure you see it. And you'll click on this button. You'll be taken to the order form to get started. Here's the review page. I think I'll play one or two of these for you. I know in my past 2 videos, folks, I've shared a couple of these. But folks, this is the real deal. And you can check out what other happy, satisfied customers of American Bill Money have to say about American Bill Money. If you want to revisit the video again, folks, you can do it right here. Everything is explained for you. So let's go ahead and check this out.
What I enjoy most about American Bill Money is the simplicity and fact that anyone can mail a postcard and potentially build residual income from home. I would tell you, if you're considering joining, to just get started and share this opportunity with everyone. The results will follow.
There you go, folks. Share this opportunity with everyone. And you know what? Word of mouth works incredibly well. You can share this with your family and your friends if you so wish to. You can share it with people in your social circle, in your community, in your church community, neighbors, family, friends, associates, whoever you want to share this with, folks. Get the word out. This is a simple opportunity, and I guarantee you people will greatly appreciate you for this. Because this is the time of year, folks. This is the time, this is the place, and this is the season. We are in the direct mail order boom season, folks. There has never been a better time for a promising opportunity like American Bill Money. September, October, November, and December. And you getting started today can help you to make September a September to remember. Let's play one more of these, okay?
I just wanted to share what I like most about ABM. It's that it does exactly what it says it's going to do. I've never felt more satisfied with all my years in the business opportunity work from home space. How many of us have tried these opportunities for years and failed? That's not a problem with ABM because all the information about how to operate the business is on a simple sheet of paper within the folder. It's the most amazing program, and I have a lot to compare it to, and now I have people begging me to learn more about my offers thanks to what I've learned with ABM. Thank you.
There you go, folks. 2 more powerful testimonials. And when you do get started, you get a complete marketing kit, marketing package with a folder in the mail, and it contains everything you need. Simple, simple, simple instructions. Everything you need to win big, and succeed with American Bill Money this year and beyond. So with that being said, folks, my contact details are below. If you do have any questions, I do want you to know I've been successfully promoting American Bill Money with great results, consistently earning with it since 2017. I can absolutely help you. I've had great success in this direct mail order space and industry since 2015. That's an entire decade. My contact details are below. I welcome all serious inquiries. Feel free to reach out today, text, or call me. My number is in the description, 330-787-1795, along with my website, which you may need to retype into your browser, incomedoubled.com/5990. With that being said, folks, thank you so much for allowing me to continue to share with you America's #1 residual income opportunity, American Bill Money, aka ABM. Hope to see you very soon on the inside. Bye for now until my next video. Take care and happy Labor Day. Bye-bye.